guys, it's Sakshi and welcome to my channel The K Twinses. And right now my sister is in office, so I thought why not make a video. So this is going to be our first video and I really wanted to start with the haul video. So today I'm going to share everything that I have collected from Savannah over the years, and some of these tops and dresses are out of stock right now and is from last year, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. So, and also few items are of recent purchases as well. So let's get straight into the video. So the first top is going to be this shirt that I am wearing. So it is in white color, and the one thing that I like about this shirt is it has bow at the back. I hope you guys can see. Yeah. So because of the bow, it gives that cinch waist look from the front, as you guys can see. And I got this top in size S, and it is kind of tight for me. Even if it is S, small size मुझे आ जाता है, लेकिन still. Also one thing to note is that it is kind of polyestery, लेकिन it's fine. And also one thing is that it has this kind of a sleeve, puffy sleeve. Yeah. So what we are going to do is कि हम यहाँ पे एक बटन लगाने वाला है, so that it's going to be an office appropriate fit. Even if it is polyestery, it kind of fits perfectly on my body. So I think मैं इसे कैफ़े में पहन लूँगी और मेरी सिस्टर इसे ऑफिस में पहन सकती है. So basically she got this top for office, but इसके जो sleeves है वो कुछ इस प्रकार के है, which is not office appropriate. I think ये kind of fits are getting very popular because it has that cinch of waist look from the front. You can wear it with jeans or office pant, black jeans, grey jeans. But one thing is जब मैं ऐसे रहती हूँ, it gives that bulging kind of look. Yeah, that's the only thing, but I really like this top and I'm going to keep it. And I got this top in 931 rupees. Yeah, that's it for this top.
So today is Saturday and it's a casual day, so that's why I'm wearing this Savannah office wear. It's a cute little, it looks like a corset. Then I'm wearing jeans and shoes. That's my casual day office fit.
So the next top is this blue striped shirt. Basically उनके पास 3 color available है, like blue, pink and I guess black also. And I got this in size small, and I must say this is one of the most comfortable shirts that I literally own in my wardrobe. And I have paired this shirt again with a mini skirt. Actually I wore this top while I went to do pottery with my sister. I don't know, but this top is giving me that 2010s वाला Bollywood kind of vibe, जहाँ पे music videos में most of the actresses were wearing this kind of shirt. Yeah, I really like how it kind of goes well with the skirt, mini skirt, more with the jeans. And to give it more like a baddie look, I have added this waist silver chain which I got from Bandra Hill Road. Yeah. Also I genuinely love how this top fits my body perfectly. It's pretty cute, no? I don't think it's cute, it's giving more like a baddie look, right? And talking about the quality, it is similar to the last top, which is kind of polyestery, but overall it looks and also it feels nice, so I have kept this top. Yeah. So this is the third top that I got from Savannah, and I got this in size small. Even if it is small, ये थोड़ा ढीला है मेरे लिए. It is kind of loose, and the one thing that I like about this top is it has that lace detailing, as you guys can see. और यहाँ पर एक cute सा bow है जो कुछ काम का नहीं है, but still it's very cute. I ordered this top this week only. I just checked और मुझे पता चला कि अभी out of stock है. But still you guys can get it in black color. Black color is also cute by the way. I'll just show you its picture. And yeah, it has that checkered detail, you know. It's giving more K-drama look, right? I think. Again, I have paired it with a skirt. It is pretty cute top. It's my first time, guys, doing like this, doing a haul video. Please excuse me. So this is another peplum top which I got in red color. This is also a checkered one, and yeah, I got this top in size small, and it is kind of a loose, but मुझे ऐसे ही पसंद है. Yeah. Also the material of this top is so good. Yeah. तो जब मैंने मेरी सिस्टर को ये टॉप दिखाया, she didn't like it because उसका वाइब वैसा नहीं. She is more like a baddie kind of a girl, and while I'm very K-drama, Korean obsessed girl. Yeah. And that being said, Savannah has a really good collection of tops and dresses, and this is one of those that you guys can wear on dates and cafes with your baddies and girlies. Yeah. And yeah, the one thing is that it has this kind of a collar type thing which is too cute, but still it is a good piece. I mean, look at it, it's so comfortable. Also you guys can wear it in college. I wish when I was in college ऐसे कुछ अच्छे fits मुझे तब मिलते तो मैं definitely पहनती थी, but मुझे बाद में अक्ल आई जब मेरा कॉलेज ख़त्म हुआ. And yeah, and I'm wearing it right now. But still it is perfect for college girls. It's very comfortable and it is very cute. So these were the 4 tops that I got from Savannah, and honestly I'm obsessed with all of them. And I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The K Twinsies, and comment down below which one you like the most. And honestly my favorite from this haul video is that blue striped shirt and the red checkered top. And I will see you in the next haul video. Till then, bye.